Welcome everybody
to Cooking with Poppy.
Today my granddaughters
Guinevere,
and
Alwyn,
will be helping me make a
chicken pot pie,
cooked in a
cast iron pan.
using all these fresh ingredients. Make sure you leave us a comment below to let us know what you think, and most importantly, be sure to
like and subscribe.
So let's get started. Time to chop some carrots,
Mushroom, garlic,
red onion, some baby
potato, celery, high heat, olive oil, chicken,
Pull the chicken out when it's done and set it on your cutting board to rest. Let's add some butter. Let's saute those onions until they're soft. Really scrape those brown bits from the bottom of your pan. That's nothing but flavor. When the onions have softened up, let's add some
mushrooms.
Season with salt. Once you've cooked the mushrooms for just a few minutes, add a couple tablespoons of flour so we can start making our gravy. Next, let's add 2 cups of
Chicken stock.
Add our potatoes. Stir them in and bring it to a boil. Then boil on high for 10 minutes. Let's add a 1/4 cup of cream. Just a quick stir.
Celery,
Carrots. Time to add some fresh thyme.
peas,
Let's chop that chicken. Let's give that a quick stir. Let's make that crust. 1.5 cups of flour, teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of
salt. Stir it together.
1 stick of cold butter. Use a pastry cutter and cut it into pea-sized pieces. Slowly add enough ice water just to get it to come together and form it into a ball. Flour your surface and your rolling pin. And let's roll this crust out until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Carefully lay your crust on top of your chicken pot pie. Take off the excess as you form it around the edges of the pan. Cut several holes in the crust to let the steam out in whatever pattern you choose. I'm going to put this pie in a 425-degree oven for 20 minutes. going to keep this handle cover on for safety. And that's how easy it is to make a cast iron chicken pot pie. And that means it's definitely time for lunch. Let's go ahead and cut a slice. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and as always,
Thanks for coming, everybody.
I need to get me a fork and give this a taste.